If you're seeing a payment failed message on Spotify, don't stress. It's usually something simple and quick to fix. First, double check your payment method. Make sure your card has enough funds, hasn't expired, and that it's allowed to make online or international purchases. If any of those things are off, Spotify might reject it automatically. Next, head to your Spotify account, either in the app or at spotify.com/account, and go to the section where it shows your plan and billing info. Click the option to update your payment details and make sure everything matches exactly, especially your billing address. It needs to match what your bank has on file. Small mismatches, like abbreviations in your street name, can sometimes trigger a failure. If it still isn't working, try removing your payment method completely and then adding it back in from scratch. Take your time to enter the details carefully. Even one wrong digit can cause the payment to fail. Another thing to check is whether your bank is blocking the payment. Some banks automatically flag things as suspicious, especially if they think it's an international charge or an unusual recurring payment. You can usually call them or just check your banking app to see if there's a hold or restriction. Also, consider trying a different payment method if possible, like a different card, PayPal, or even a virtual card. Sometimes certain cards have stricter security filters than others, and if none of that works, your best bet is to contact Spotify support directly. Go to support.spotify.com/cont and start a chat. They're usually pretty responsive and can look into the exact reason the payment isn't going through. Once you've gone through all that, try making the payment again and it should go through smoothly. Keep an eye on any confirmation emails from Spotify or your bank. And if the payment still fails, repeat the steps with a fresh browser or clear cache to avoid any old session errors affecting the transaction.